Okay, so now I will use the second method. So this will be that, let me draw it again. So this is the bar. Okay, and the same bar, this is point O, and then we have a force of, so we have a horizontal, and there is a force of F, and that makes 45 degrees. And then what we will do is that we will decompose the force into two components. One component will be this one, perpendicular to this bar. So since it is perpendicular to the bar, so it cannot rotate it. Okay, it will just create a pulling force, so it cannot rotate it. So the another component will be this one. So that will be perpendicular to the bar in this manner. So if you apply that force, this one will create a moment. So if you decompose the force into two components, one component will not create a force, the moment. The other one will create a moment. So we have to find what are the components of this force. So let's draw the components. So I will call this one as a u-axis, and this one as v-axis. Okay, and this will be the first component of the force. That is Fv, and that is the second component of the force. This one. This will be F of u. Okay. As I told, the F of u cannot rotate the bar. Okay, it will just pull it. And this angle is 45, and I know the another angle which is 30 degrees, and that angle is between this one or the center line. They are all parallel, so that angle is 30 degrees. And 30, 45, and I need to find the components. Since this one is 45, this one and that horizontal makes 30 degrees. If I move here, that horizontal, that one makes again 30 degrees. This part is again 30 degrees. Then you have 75 degrees. Okay, 75. These two are perpendicular, so you will have here as a 15 degree. Okay. And then here you will have 75 degrees, and then here you have the 90 degrees. Okay. So FV will be adjacent side of this triangle. If I show it here one more time, so this is the force of F. So it has a component which is F of V, and that makes a 15 degrees. Okay, and this F of V will be F cosine 15 degrees. Okay, so as we said, this FV can only create a moment. So F of U cannot do that. So let's then calculate the moment about O. That will be F of V into the arm. And I know that the F of V is F cosine 15 degrees. And then arm will be the length itself, because they are 90 degrees. That length is 3 meters. So as you can see, we got the same as before. 3 cosine 15 times the force. That will be again 14.5 times 10 to the power of 3 Newton meters. Okay, and then again this one is a clockwise moment, so that will be negative. That's all for this problem. Okay, thank you.